When I was a little girl, my grandmom used to say, "Health is wealth." But little did I knew until I started my vegan plant-based journey. Stop eating junk food every day. Highly processed food can be addictive and can damage your health. The food you eat could either make you stronger and healthier or slowly and silently kill you. Come to my channel and let me take care of you. There I will share with you my easy, delicious and healthy vegan recipes to help you to successfully make your transition to a vegan lifestyle and to a healthier you.